Clearing up at the end of a project has never been easier. Ryobi's compact blower is ideal for cleaning up dust and dirt, including sawdust, wood, and metal filings. With 3 speed settings and a variable speed trigger, this powerful blower is perfect for indoor, outdoor, and workshop applications. The highest speed blows up to 200 km per hour for maximum power. The middle speed provides a controlled airflow to help gather debris in one place. And the lowest speed is ideal for use on workbenches, preventing dust from flying up into the air. The flexible rubber hose also helps you control the airflow and helps with the removal of wet debris from surfaces. When used with our 5 amp-hour lithium plus battery, this blower will work for up to 70 minutes. This compact blower is sold as a bare tool, allowing you to build on your ONE+ collection without the need to pay for additional batteries and chargers. As part of the ONE+ system of over 70 great tools for your home and garden, this innovative cordless blower will work with any ONE+ battery.